Hey, how's it going today? It is time to open some Cello packs of 1990 Fleur baseball. I like the set because I remember fondly, being maybe 5, 6 years old and going to Meyer, a Midwest grocery store, and ended up buying team sets for this when I would go shopping with my mom and, hanging out in the video game section. So let's start it. So fresh box, as you can see, if you didn't see all the way in there. So, lots of fun for that. Let's see here. What do we got? We got 33 cards and 3 stickers. Pretty fun. I don't even know if I ever opened a Cello pack of these back in the early 90s, to be completely honest with you. So, now I'm really living it up. George Canali, Ken Moss, some prospects. We got Mike Davis, Chad Kruder, Bryn Smith, or Brian, I don't know how to pronounce it, Tom Gordon, Dale Mahorchich, Danny Darwin, Wally Joyner, Jimmy Key, great pitcher, Gene Nelson, Jeff Parrott with the nice beard, Todd Stottlemyre, Bill Landrum, Alan Anderson, Dave Smith there. I can pronounce his name. Here's Mike Moore, not the Michael Moore making documentaries. Here we have the 4-team Fleur Action Series stickers. American League Rangers, Blue Jays, Baltimore Orioles, Boston Red Sox. I remember these pretty fondly because I would put them on the outside of my old, 800 count baseball card boxes. Get the Padres sticker, Baltimore Orioles, Boston Red Sox, Cincinnati Reds, Astros, Don Paul, Jeff Reed, Wallace Johnson, Jeffrey Leonard, Jose Uribe, good one, Kent Merker. Hey, look at with the 2 hats going. Eddie Murray, Larry Sheets, Bill Duran, Walt Weiss, Dave Justice. I was always a fan of his. Mike Blowers. Hey, Sammy Sosa, man. There we go. I don't think I ever had the Fleur 90 Sammy Sosa. Cecil Espy, Andres Thomas, Robin Ventura, Frank DiPino. Robin Ventura was a favorite of mine. What did he play? He played 16 games in 89. I'm not positive about this being his rookie card or not. It could be. Here's Sosa. I know the 90 Don Ross is considered rookie of Sosa, so this should be a rookie as well. Did you know tied for 4th on sacks and steals, but had only 183 at-bats, acquired from the Rangers in 89. Led Gulf Coast League in total bases and doubles in 86. Signed as a free agent by the Rangers in 85. And then we know all of his history. Also Dave Justice. You got your vital signs on the bottom. On base percentage, slugging percentage, strikeout ratio. But definitely a lot of fun. Hey, thank you guys so much for being here, for watching me open this 90 Fleur Cello pack. Please like, subscribe, you know, comment, do your thing. Let me know what packs you want to see me open, and hopefully we can make it happen. I'm gonna be doing a lot of variety of stuff, so anything that pertains to collectibles in general. But I'm having fun with the nostalgia and getting back into ripping some of these packs from childhood. So thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful day or evening, whatever time it is when you're watching this. And please reach out. Thank you.